Hi students, I am your chemistry miss. Today we are going to see the continuation for the lesson 1. The topic is balancing the equation with the oxidation number method and the ion electron method. So previous video we completed the two equation, we balancing that equation with the oxidation number method. Today we are going to see the next one. So that is the oxidation number, that is the question number 3, your book bag question number 3. That is the given equation, right? How to balancing that one? First you have to calculate the charge, okay? First you have to calculate how to calculate the charge. First one is copper, here that is 0 charge. That is the single element, molecule means that is 0 charge. So here that is what is charge of this copper. So how to calculate here? NO3 2 minus, okay? What is the charge? X, here minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 2, right? The charge is plus 2. So here 0 is oxidized to plus 2. So then again nitrogen. What is the oxidation number of nitrogen? So here one hydrogen is 1 oxidation. This is X. Oxygen is minus 2. Minus 2 that is into 3, that is minus x is equal to plus 5. Okay, this oxidation number is plus 5. But here this one. In this NO2, what is the oxidation number? Here oxidation number is minus 2. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. X minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4, right? So this is the plus 4. Here copper is oxidation to Cu2 plus, but nitrogen is reduced to plus 4. How many electron is reduced? So that is copper is oxidized 2 electron, right? Here the nitrogen, that is only one molecule of nitrogen gain 1 electron, it is reduced to 1. So that is the 1 electron. Here 1 nitrogen is there, here also only 1 copper is there. So that is no number, just you cross multiplying that. What is it? Answer that. So how to cross multiplying? Multiply 1, this multiply by 2. Next you are writing that equation. How to write that equation? That is Cu plus 2HNO3, then CuNO3 twice plus NO2 plus H2O. Okay, so here 2 molecule of NO3 is there. So here also 2 molecule of NO3, but here one more NO2 is there. Here 3 molecule of NO2. So again we are adding 2 more nitrogen. So that is next step, you are adding 2 more nitrogen. How to write? Cu plus 2HNO3 plus adding 2 more nitric acid, 2HNO3. You are balancing the nitric acid. Here now 4 nitrogen is here, here 2 nitrogen, here also 2 nitrogen. So CuNO3 twice, here 2 molecular, here 2 NO3, here 2 NO3, totally 4. 2 is over again plus 2 NO2, then H2O. Okay, so then again balancing the water molecule. How many water molecule is there? So here that is hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, totally 4 hydrogen. So what is the answer? So here only 2 hydrogen is there, you are multiplying 2. So what is that final answer is? What is that final answer? Copper plus 4HNO3 gives CuNO3 twice plus 2NO2, then here that 4 molecules, so that is 2H2O. So you are balancing that all that equation once again. So first the copper, that is the oxidation number is 0. Here copper is plus 2. Here NO3 is minus 2 charge. So that is X minus 2, that is plus 2. Nitric acid in nitrogen oxidation number is plus 5. Here copper is oxidized to copper Cu2 plus. So how many electron? 2 electron is removed. Okay, so here that is 1 electron is gained, it is reduced to plus 4. So that is what is mean by oxidation? Loss of electron. What is mean by reduction? Gain of electron. This is oxidation, this is reduction. So after that your 1 electron is gained, just cross multiplying that. Copper 2HNO3, here 2 NO3 is there, here 2 NO3, 1 more NO2. So balancing that one, you are adding 2 more nitric acid, that is totally 4 nitric acid here, that is 4 nitric acid. So here 2 is there, 2 nitrogen. So only you are balancing the hydrogen. So that is HNO3 to finally you are balancing 4H2O. Okay, so that is 2 molecule of H2O. This is the next one. So next question is Okay, so next question is K1O4, H2C2O4. H2SO4, K2SO4, MnSO4. First you have to calculate the oxidation number. Mn oxidation number, we already calculated that one. Potassium is 1. The Mn is, so Mn, that is X minus 8. So X minus 7 is equal to 0, X is equal to plus 7. Okay, so that is plus 7 oxidation number. So here that is MnSO4. What is the oxidation number? SO4 is, that is minus 2. So X minus 2 equal to 0, X is equal to plus 2. So this is Mn is plus 2. Here then again H2C2O4 in the C2. What is the oxidation number in the C2? So here that is 2 molecule of hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen is 1. Here 2 molecule is there. So that is I am writing 2. Then carbon is X. So that is 2X minus 8 equal to 0. So 2X minus 6 equal to 0, X is equal to plus 3. Okay, so that is the oxidation number of carbon is plus 3. So here, what is the oxidation number of this carbon dioxide? So oxygen is, what is the oxygen is minus 2 minus 4. X minus 4 equal to 0, X is equal to plus 4, right? Here that is plus 4. Okay, so next we are going to see the, so here Mn plus 7. So it will reduce to Mn2 plus. How many electron is gained? That is 5 electron. So it releases 5 electron. So that is I am writing 5 electron here. Carbon, how many electron? 3 electron. Here 4 electron. Only 1 electron will be gained. So that is only 1 electron. So how many molecule of carbon is there? That is 2 molecule of carbon is there. So multiplying by 2. Here only 1 Mn is there. Here also only 1 Mn is there. Now you are cross multiplying the two equation, right? Cross multiplying the equation. What is that answer? So 2KMnO4 plus 5H2C2O4, then H2SO4, then K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, so this is the equation. Now next step, how many carbon is there? Now totally 10 carbon is there. Here that is only 1 carbon is there. So the next step is adding 10 carbon. Again here 2 MnSO4. So that is next step. You are arranging that one. So you are balancing that Mn. KMnO4. Then here the same one H2C2O4 plus H2SO4. So what is that? Here also K2SO4, the same one, K2SO4. Then Mn. So how many Mn? 2 MnSO4, right? How many carbon is there? That is 10 carbon is there. So that is 10 carbon dioxide plus H2O, right? So this is the another one. So next one, here 2 potassium is there. Here also 2 potassium. So next we are balancing that hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there totally? So totally here hydrogen, 10 hydrogen is there, right? Here 10 hydrogen. Here, so next one is sulfur. Sulfur, how many sulfur is there? That is here 1 sulfur, here 2 sulfur. So how many sulfur is there? That is 3 sulfur is there. I am writing here 3. Totally how many hydrogen is there? That is 10 hydrogen. Here 6 hydrogen plus 6 hydrogen. What is that? 16 hydrogen. Here how many hydrogen is there? Only 2 hydrogen. So what is the number you are at? 8 2s are 16. So now next step is 2KMnO4 plus 5H2C2O4 plus 3H2SO4, then K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 10 CO2 plus 8 H2O. Okay, so this is the well balanced. This is the another equation. Okay, so this is the another one. So next we are going to see the ion electron method. That is also 4 question is there. Next we are going to see the ion electron method. Okay, so this is the question book bag question number 45. First one, balancing the equation with the ion electron method. Okay, so this is the next topic. So how to balancing? First you are writing the ionic form of this equation. First, how to write that ionic form? The cation will be removed. So that is MnO4 minus. Okay. Then here 2Cl, 2 minus is there. So that is Sn2 plus. Here H plus. So that is you are writing the ionic form. So next here Mn. So here that is 2Cl, Mn2 plus. Then here 4Cl. So that is Sn4 plus. 4 plus. Okay, so this is the balance, this is the another equation. So next we are going to see the how to balancing that equation. This equation, next step, you are half of this equation. What is the half of this equation? First step is calculate the oxidation number. What is the oxidation number? That is x minus 8 equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 7. Okay, this is plus 7. Here the oxidation state will be here. So how to calculate? Mn. So first you write the two half equations. So what are the two half equation? This is one equation. This is another equation, right? So first one is MnO4 minus then H plus gives Mn2 plus. This is one equation. This is first equation. Second equation. So Sn2 plus gives Sn4 plus. Okay, so how many electron? This is the oxidation number is plus 7. So next step, here the plus 7 is reduced to plus 5. So how many electron it will be added? So first equation, it will be added MnO4 minus plus H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus, right? So this is the Mn2 plus, then H2O. So here how to balancing that one? Here 4 molecule of oxygen is there. Okay, so that is we are adding 4 molecule of water. Okay, so 4 molecule of oxygen. How many hydrogen is there? 4 2s are 8. So that is I am balancing that 8 hydrogen. Okay, so this is the first step. Second step, second equation, how many electron will be reduced? Sn2 plus reduced to Sn4 plus. How many electrons? So that is 2 electrons. So second step, Sn2 plus is reduced to Sn4 plus. How many electron? That is 2 electron. This is the second equation. This is third equation. This is fourth equation. Now you are balancing. This is 5. This is 2. Suppose the two different number of electron is there. Just you are cross multiplying. This first equation is multiplied by 2. The second equation is multiplied by 5. So balancing the electron. So that is first step is for third equation is multiplied by 2, right? So how to write that equation? MnO4 minus plus, so that is multiply by 2 Mn, so that is 16H plus 10 electron gives 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O. Okay, you can multiply by 2. The next one is fourth equation is multiplied by 5. Okay, so how to write? 5 Sn2 plus. Okay, so gives 5 Sn4 plus 10 electron. Okay, now you are adding the two equation. How to adding the two equation? So first 10 electron this side, 10 electron that side, both are cancelled, right? So now we are balancing, adding that equation. 2 MnO4 minus plus here 16 the 8. So here 16H plus is there, no? So that is 16H plus. Okay, 10 electron cancels, that is 5 Sn2 plus gives, what is that answer? So here 2 Mn2 plus then 8H2O plus 5SN4 plus. Okay, so this is the final answer for your balancing the ion electron method. Okay, once again the equation, that is KMnO4, they are giving the normal equation. First you write the ionic form of this equation, then this equation divided into two half equation. One is oxidation, another one is reduction. According to that electron we are balancing that equation. Finally you are cross multiplying that number, you can finally you are add that answer. Okay, so this is the answer of that given equation. Okay, so next question is, they already given the ionic form. Okay, they already given the ionic form, how to balancing that equation. So this is the another one. Say already, so here that is carbon, how to divided the two equation. Here carbon is there, here carbon, this is converted into one equation. C2O4 2 minus gives CO2. This is one equation, right? This is one equation. Second equation Cr2, here Cr3, so that is Cr2O7 2 minus gives Cr3 plus. Okay, so first one is, what is the charge? So how to calculate the charge of this equation? What is the charge of this carbon? 2x minus 8 equal to minus 2. So what is that answer? 2x equal to minus plus 6, x is equal to 3. So the oxidation number is plus 3, right? Here carbon is 4 plus 4. So x minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4. Here oxidation state is plus 4. So here chromium is here plus 6. How to calculate? So 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to, so 12, x is equal to plus 6. Okay, so here that is plus 6, here plus 3. Okay, so now you are adding. So how many electrons? So that is plus 3 plus 4, right? Plus 3 plus 4. So that is only one electron is released. Then again here 3 electrons. So first next step is first equation C2O4 2 minus. Okay, C2O4 2 minus gives how many molecule? That is how many electrons? So that is 2 molecule is removed. So here plus 3 is reduced to plus CO2 plus that is 2 electron. Okay, so then 2 carbon is there, so that is only 1 carbon means that is 1 electron, 2 carbon means 2 electron, right? So you are balancing the two side, here 2 minus, here 2 minus. So here only 1 electron is removed, here charge is 2, that is 2 minus, so that is here also 2 minus. Next step, the second equation Cr2O7 2 minus, then H plus. So here how many electron will be gained? So how many electron? That is 3 electron, that is gain 3 electron, then H plus, right? H plus given Cr3 plus. Here 3 is there, here 2 is there. You are multiplying both the equation by this number. This equation is multiplied by 3. This equation is multiplied by 2. Okay. So next step, you are writing that 2 equation. You are multiplying the 2 equation. First equation multiplied by 3. So 3 C2O4 2 minus gives, here also 2 carbon is there, so I am writing 2 carbon, that is 6 CO2 plus 6 electron. Okay, the next step, second equation multiplied by 2, right? 2 Cr2O7 2 minus, then here, that is here also 2 Cr, here also 2 Cr. Okay, so here that is 6 electron plus H plus. So then 4Cr3 plus. Okay, you are adding the two equation. What is that? So next you are balancing that one. Here 7 molecule of oxygen is there, so that is you are adding 7 molecule of water, right? 7 molecule of water, 7 that is 14 molecule of hydrogen. I am writing here 14 molecule of hydrogen, right? C2O4, here C2O4, Cr2O7, then here that is you are balancing the charge, you can easily. So that is here 2Cr, you are adding that one. Here 6 electron will be cancelled. So finally you are add that equation 3C2O4 2 minus plus 2Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus gives 6CO2 plus 4Cr3 plus 7H2O. Okay, so that is the another one. So this is the balancing that equation by the ion electron method. Once again, first you are writing this equation divided into two half equations, C2O4 2 minus, then here the C2O4, here CO2. This is divide one equation, Cr2O7 Cr3 plus another equation. Dividing the two equation, we can divide. So C2O4 2 CO2, here 2 carbon is there, I am writing 2. So that is how many electrons will be released, that is 2 electron. So here balancing that equation, then Cr2O7, how many electron gain? So that is 3 electron. So that is here also 2 Cr is there, so I am writing here 2 Cr. Okay, then you are multiplying that equation. So balancing that electron, here 3, here 2. So this equation is multiplied by 3, this equation multiplied by 2. According to that one, you are multiplying all that value. So here the 7 oxygen is there, right? So that is you are writing 7H2O. So just you are cancelling all that one, you can give the answer. Okay, so you are adding that one. This is the final answer of that equation. Okay, so this is the another one. So next question is, okay, so next question is Na2S2O3I2 Na2S4O6. So that is normal equation they are given. First you are writing the ionic equation. How to write that ionic equation? S2O3 2 minus plus I minus, so gives, so that is not I minus, that is I2. Here also SO4O6 2 minus plus I minus. Okay, so this is the ionic form of this equation. Next we have this equation divided into two equation. Which one is two divided equation? This is one equation, this is another equation, right? First next step you are writing the two equation. How to write? S2O3 2 minus give SO4O6 2 minus. Here 2s is there, here 2 4x, so that is we are adding 2. Okay, so here 2 electron, so that is 4 electron is there, so you are balancing that one, you are adding 2 electron. This is the first step, right? What are the second step? So second step here, that is I2 is reduced to I minus, right? So here 2 molecule of iodine is there, so that is 2I. Here 2 electron is there, so we are adding this side 2 electron, balancing the two equation. Here 2 electron, so nothing will be multiplied, so just you are adding that equation. So 2 electron will be cancelled. 2s2O3 2 minus plus I2 gives SO4O6 2 minus plus 2I minus. Okay, so this is the ion electron method of balancing this equation. So this is the another one equation, Na2S2O3 plus I2 giving Na2S4O6 plus NaI. Okay, so S2O3, I2, SO4O4. So these are all, we are writing that equation. Here only 2 electron, here S2 molecule is there, but 4 molecule, so that is I multiplying here by 2, that is 4. Here iodine, 2 iodine is there, so that is only 1 iodine, so writing here that is 2. Here 2 electron, so balancing the 2 electron, we are adding this side 2 electron, so that is S2O3 2 minus plus I2 giving SO4 minus 6, that is I minus. Okay, so this is the another one. So this is the very easy one. Okay, so next system, already they given the ionic form. So what are the divided, how to divide the two half equation? This is one half, this is another half, right? So here Zn gives Zn 2 plus, right? So here 2 plus is there. How to write, balancing that one? So next again second equation, NO3 minus gives NO. What is the oxidation state? Oxidation state of nitrogen is here -2, that is +2. What is the oxidation state of here? That is x minus 6 equal to -1. X is equal to, that is +5, right? That is +5, here +5. Okay, so this is the electron. Here 0 will be reduced to +2. Here that is 5 electron is reduced to +2. So that is one is oxidation, another one is reduction. So first step, first equation, Zn is reduced to Zn 2 plus here that is the Zn 0, here Zn 2 plus NO3, that is charge x minus 6. So that is oxygen is -2, 3 molecule, x minus 6 equal to -1, x equal to +5. Here the oxidation number is -2, that is here +2. Zn 2 plus gives again 2 electron is, so here 0 electron, here adding 2 electron, right, this side. So second equation, this is the second one. So how, this is the first equation, this is second equation. So what second equation, how to write the second equation? NO3 minus, okay. So NO3 minus, here 5 electron is there, 2 electron. How many electron will be added? That is 3 electron. Here acid medium, we are adding H plus, right. So here that is NO. So here 3 molecule of water is there, right? NO3, here NO. So here 1 oxygen is there, here 3 oxygen. Totally this side 3 oxygen, here only oxygen. Remaining how many oxygen is there? So remaining 2 oxygen. So I am writing here that is 2 molecule of water. So here 2 molecule of water, how many hydrogen is there? So that is 4 hydrogen. Okay, so this is 4 hydrogen. So next step, we are multiplying. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. So this is the third equation. This is fourth equation. Third equation is multiplied by 3. Fourth equation is multiplied by 2. Just you are writing that one. So third equation multiplied by 3 and the fourth equation is multiplied by 2. Okay. So what is that answer here? That is 3 Zn plus gives 3 Zn 2 plus 6 electron, right? Here that is multiplied by 2. 2 NO3 minus plus 6 electron plus 8 H plus gives 2 NO plus 4 H2O. Okay, now you are adding that one. What will be cancelled? The 6 electron cancel. So 3 Zn plus 2 NO3 minus. So here 8 H plus gives 3 Zn 2 plus 2 NO plus 4 H2O. Okay, so this is the balancing the equation. So that's all. This first lesson, this is the ion electron method. So I completed the first lesson. Tomorrow we see the second lesson. So you write all that workout problem. So that is the balancing that equation. Totally 8 question is there, your book bag question. So just write in your classwork. Okay. Hope you all understand that one. Suppose you are not understanding, means repeatedly watching that video, you can easily understand that. Okay. Thank you, children.